sa taaning kuan. Face mask ha. Face mask. Kuan ang umbrella guys. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya kagway guys. Sudahan guys. Okay. So try na to siya guys. Butang sa ato ang nawang. Okay. Tama na ito atong nawang guys. Atong nawang ay, ganito siya. Una guys. Una pa daw siya guys. Gani. Siya guys. Ay. Ba siya guys? Gani. Ano naman guys? Okay. Ayan guys. Okay guys. Oh my guys. Ganun din siya guys. So, ganun siya. Butang din si Muhang. Taplak din si Muhang now guys. Mura na taani. Kuan. Katawan na sa kuan ng ungo diri guys. Guys. Na siya guys. Ano siya guys.
Oh, we should get a picture of that. Right, Maxie? Want to go outside? You want to go outside or you're sleeping? Huh?
Outside. You just went outside.
Huh?
Okay guys.
It ain't working. Cover yourself up with all this chemical crap and then wonder why your skin is, you know, wonder why you look like you're 50 when you're 30. It don't work. Chemicals and crap are in that.
What do you want me to do? Look ugly?
You want to look good? You don't use chemicals.
Yeah, right.
It's very simple.
What do you want me to use? Water? Okay guys. Ano siya guys? Ay, napadali siya guys. Biskut. Ay, bilin. Guys, alam mo siya butang guys. So, this might be here. Oh, diba? Ano na siya guys. Okay. Alright. Let's